We're here today at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720 and our website is sleequipment.com. We're here today to talk about the Toro TimeCutter MX6050. It is a residential style 60-inch cut mower, has Hydro Gear 2800 hydraulics. It has nice full-size front caster wheels. It's got scalp wheels on the center, left, and right. It is a 10-gauge fabricated deck. You've got your smart speed control here, so you have mow, tow, and trim. It just adjusts the speed of the mower, basically. You've got your deck assist, raise and lower your deck here. This sets your deck height here. Your control arms are normal. Your park brake is integrated into your control arms. So when you push them out, your park brake's on. When you pull them in, it's off. Push them forward and go. You get a nice high back seat. It's got some thick padding to it. The armrests, you can raise them up or lower them, whichever one you prefer. You have a throttle, a choke, your key, and your PTO switch. Pull up, turn the blades on, push down, turn the blades off. As you can see, the deck is 10-gauge steel. It is a 3-blade system. They're sealed spindles. Got a nice heavy-duty plastic shoe blocker there. Got a wide mouth opening on the deck to shoot the grass out. Your tires here, nice bias ply tires, 20 by 10s. This particular mower, again, is powered with the Hydro Gear 2800 hydraulics. And it comes with a 24.5 horsepower Toro engine. They make their own engines and it has been excellent. To check the oil here, you just twist, pull the dipstick out and check it. Pull this hose down here. It unclips, you pull the hose out, and your oil will drain right off. Your oil filter's right here. And your fuel filter is right here. Everything's easy to get to. This is where you put the gas in. It's got a 5-gallon gas tank with a visible gauge here, so you can see the gas level. Other than that, everything else is pretty simple. Now this Toro, the TimeCutter series, it comes with a TimeCutter HD, and it ranges from a 42, 48, 52, 54, 60. There's a tons and tons of models. Please feel free to check us out online at our website. Again is sleequipment.com. If you got a question, call us. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And other than that, I think I'm just gonna find the key and we're gonna ride out of here. And y'all have a good day.